To install HP printer driver, you can go to HP website. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to HP printer website. HP website. Now over here, write down the model number of your printer. And if you can also select your printer from this list. You can select the right series, select the right model number from here also, or you can simply type in the name of the model number. This is just an example. Once you type in the model number, select your printer over here and then select the right operating system. You can, if it is not right, you can choose a different OS and then you can select the right OS over here. And then here you can see the drivers for your printer, and then here you can see the driver. This is the firmware which will help you to update your printer. This software tool will help you update your printer latest firmware. So if you want to install firmware also, you can install it, but I will show you how to install drivers. So you can click on driver and then you will see the download option. Hit download and then you can run this file. Make a double click, open, agree, continue, allow. Make sure printer is plugged into power source. Make sure the printer is turned on. For wireless printer setup, remove Ethernet or USB cable that might be connected to your printer. Click on continue. Now you have to connect your printer over here, and just follow the on-screen instruction and you can install the driver and you can connect to your printer. And once it is done, you can go to system settings and you should be able to go to printer and scanners and you should be able to see your printer. If you don't see a printer, you can click on add printer, and then when you click on add printer, you should be able to see your printer. You can select your printer and then click on add. So this is how you can connect. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.